Don't close your eyes my first time. Whoop. Whoop.
Okay, jump.
Alright. Japanese basketball. Come on. Hold it. Sir, huwag mo dupog ka. Kasi naiya ko eh. Alright. Congratulations. It's a boy.
Yay!
Madam, siya ba yung boy mo?
Open like that.
Ready, 1, 2,